Campgrounds don't come with a manual, but break the unwritten rules and suddenly everyone's watching you. From loud generators to your 10th failed attempt at backing in, here are 5 rules every camper should know. That is, if you don't want to be that guy. Welcome to Living the Journey, where we mix travel, camping tips, and real stories from the road. If you love small towns, state parks, and the not-so-glamorous side of camping, you're in the right place. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Keep the noise down. Sound carries in the woods further than you think. That generator you think is a quiet hum? Well, it sounds like a jet engine to the people 2 sites over. Same with music. Your 80s hard metal doesn't always mix well with the guy next door trying to enjoy birdsong. If you can hear it outside your camper, so can everyone else. And trust me, someone's rolling their eyes. Number 4. We always hear or see the signs. Pack it in, pack it out. Trash doesn't magically disappear when you toss it in the fire pit. I've seen bottle caps, soup cans, and even a melted flip-flop in there. Nothing ruins the mood faster than setting up camp and realizing the last group treated it like a landfill. Golden rule? Leave your site cleaner than you found it. People notice, especially the ranger who checks sites with the precision of a crime scene investigator. Stick around, because rule number 1 can instantly turn you into someone's best friend or their worst enemy at the campground. And the crazy part? It's surprisingly simple. Number 3. Respect boundaries. A campsite might just look like a patch of grass, but to the people renting it, well, it's their temporary front yard. Walking through is basically the camping equivalent of barging through someone's living room. And here's the kicker. Everyone's watching you do it. It's like you just got caught stealing cookies in a glass kitchen. Number 2. Campfire etiquette. First off, use local firewood. Hauling firewood from 3 states away? That's how invasive bugs hitch a ride. And depending on where you camp, it could even get you in trouble. Second, don't leave your fire alone, ever. A campfire is like a toddler. Turn your back for 2 minutes and things get out of control. And if your smoke is blowing straight into your neighbor's tent, congratulations. You just turned their trip into a smoked brisket experience. And now, number 1, be neighborly. This doesn't mean you need to swap life stories, but a wave goes a long way. If someone's struggling to back their camper in for the 10th try, maybe offering a spotter would go a long way. It is certainly better than live streaming it. Keep dogs on leashes. Remind the kids the road isn't a racetrack. And remember, a little courtesy is contagious. Remember, at campgrounds, you're never invisible. Someone is always watching, especially when things go wrong. If these tips hit home or reminded you of that one neighbor, you know the one I'm talking about. Hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with your camping crew. And please drop a comment about your that guy story. Help make the next trip one to remember, in a good way. Remember, no matter where you go, there you are. Stay tuned, stay inspired, and keep living the journey.